Here I've got OnePlus 7 Pro, and let me show you how to activate night mode on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Now find and pick display. And here under sleep option you will notice night mode. Simply tap on it, and now you can turn on night mode manually, so tap on this switcher, and now you can personalize it. So as you can see, you can change the temperature of the color and also the lightness. So you can customize it and adjust it to your preferences, and you can also pick turn on automatically option, so you can make some rule. For example, it can be automatically enabled from sunset to sunrise, or you can pick the particular period of time by tapping on custom time range over here, and now select the start hour and the end hour. So as you can see, I've just set it up to be on between 11 p.m. and 5 a.m. So from now on, this night mode will be automatically activated every day between 11 p.m. and 5 a.m. So that's it. This is how you can enable night mode. Enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.